At the beginning of 2016, the one-year interest rate in Korea is 1.74%. Economic forecasters project future inflation at 1.62%. Calculate the ex-ante real interest rate. The CPI at the start of the year is 100.22. At year end, the CPI is 101.56. Calculate the ex-post real interest rate. Calculate the ex-ante and ex-post real interest rate for Korea in January 2016. The answer is A. The ex-ante rate is 1.33% and the ex-post rate is 1.62%. B. The ex-ante rate is 1.74% and the ex-post rate is 1.33%. C. The ex-ante rate is 0.12% and the ex-post rate is 0.41%. Or D. The ex-ante rate is 0.41% and the ex-post rate is 1.33%. The ex-ante real interest rate is the gap between the interest rate and expected inflation. The former is 1.74% and the latter is forecast at 1.62%. The ex-ante real return is 0.12%. The ex-post real interest rate is the money interest rate minus the actual outcome of inflation. The gross inflation rate is the CPI at the end of the year relative to the CPI at the beginning of the year. This is equal to 101.56 divided by 100.22, or 1.0133. This implies a net inflation rate of 1.33%. The ex-post real interest rate is 1.74 minus 1.33, or 0.41%. The answer is C.